Hello everyone, do you know that you can use your Opay Verve card to get 10% discount at supermarkets? Well, if you didn't know, I'll show you how. The first thing you're going to do is open up your Opay app. And once it opens up, you go to the Verve card. And here, you need to get your Verve card. We have the virtual and the physical card. So if you, under this physical card, you can see transact with your Opay card. There are two benefits you can enjoy. You can enjoy 10% off with Opay Verve card, and you can also enjoy transact with your Opay Verve card now. Now, what this means is this: between August 15 to December 31st, 2024, Opay is running a promo in which it allows you to use your Verve card to pay at selected restaurants, supermarkets, and NNPC outlets. So for supermarkets, you need to find out the selected location. You tap on the promo running down here, Opay Verve card promo, and then you can see enjoy exciting discounts with your Opay Verve card. You can see. So to find selected locations, then you go to supermarkets. Now we're trying to find where we get locations close to us where we can get 10% discount. So if you look at it, we have all the restaurant supermarkets for the Adidas supermarket. So the addresses are here. Look for the one closest to you quickly and get there and get your pay with your Verve card and get your 10% discount. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and follow for more, and don't forget to give comments on the comment section so that we can know how it went. Hope you enjoyed this promo.